everybody. Ni hao ma. How are all of you guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. I hope all of you are having a great time, are having the blast, guys. Always remember, let's all be safe, let's all stay healthy, and let's all be happy. Life is too short not to be celebrating it, right? And yes, while we're at that, may I also remind each and everybody, if we can just in our own little way be nice to the people around us, try to be more understanding, more concerned, more kind to the next person you'll see, or stuff like that. It doesn't cost us anything, and who knows, guys, we might save that person from tragedy. Really, who knows, guys? By the simple act of kindness, we might save someone, and who knows, another person might get influenced by your good deeds, and this will ripple effect, and everybody's going to do the same, and we might achieve world peace. Come on, let's give it a shot. Yes, and yes, guys, we are going to do one of your requests, but oh my golly, wait, I have no idea. Wait, I have no idea what this is about. Oh, guys, because I only save whatever you ask me to react to. And okay, let me try to see if I have this one, if we can translate this one better. This is a Zhou Shen's. Okay, this is Zhou Shen once again. Wow, Zhou Shen. Thanks for the the correction. So yeah, Zhou Shen. This is Zhou Shen, and oh my gosh, I didn't know that. I really didn't know. It's, guys, if you can just look at what I'm seeing here. It's in your the characters are in Chinese, really. So guys, let me just show you. Well, see, I cannot read those stuff, so please do understand where I'm coming from, really, man. Yeah. Oh my gosh, is this Zhou Shen? I have no idea, and we all love Zhou Shen in the house, yes? And let's not forget to spread his name out there, stream his music, and let's watch all of his music videos and stuff. Tell your friends of who Zhou Shen is, because I'm sure just by one listen, one look, they'll fall in love with him for real, man. Who won't, right? So yes, without any further ado, let's go ahead and do this. Uno, dos, tres, play it. Oh, there's no. 我会一次一次奔向你，看窗外的冬季。Oh, he's with a lot of people. 星际的列车穿行，为了落脚在北京，小小的世纪平民，有你。Oh my god, I know his voice right now. Oh my god, such captivating. 它沉默星星陪在身边，从不心悸，无声怀抱有你坚定，不安的梦里有你温柔的降临。我会一次一次奔向你，看窗外的冬季，像被水染白的发髻，岁月的孤寂在你脸上。我会一次一次奔向你，在城市的间隙，请你不要为我担心，也不要让我再去担心你。Goosebumps check. Oh my gosh. That was great. Man, let me just pause this for a second. Oh my gosh. Let's give credit to the pianist as well. He is doing a wonderful, a magnificent job. Oh my gosh. All of them are such a talented bunch. I just cannot comprehend Okay. Guys, I just cannot comprehend how much fun I'm having right now. Why? It is the very first time I've been seeing all those other guys out there, and still I'm having a blast. Of course, because it's Zushin is part of him, and guys, you know how much we adore Zushin in this channel. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, I don't know. The music is giving me such a positive, energy. Although I've been holding my cell phone, right, because I'm trying to translate the words that were written there, and it's kind of like saying that love will always find you. Rest assured, I'll always go back to you. This is just a temporary distance that's happening right now, stuff like that. But we have to continue. Okay, rewind it one bit. Oh my gosh, the pianist is also great.
Nobody can feel me， 也不会让你灰心。它的你的琥珀破镜当作空气，带给我的却是无底线的宠溺。但是真的当你体会我早上几对，你是否还以为爱来的很容易？为我自己重复追你的，原来现在的我才不看你吗？我真的很抱歉，我最爱的梦，我愿意用功成名就换你色进梦。你是风平浪静为我开的窗，离不到雨一样那么月光。你是黑暗中所照亮我的빛灯，感谢你用全部温暖包裹我的一生。一次一次奔向
Oh my god. Guys, I know you hate me. We hate it when I pause it, but man, oh man, I just cannot have enough of Zhou Shen. Guys, he rapped there, okay? And he just belt his heart out right just after. I mean, who does that? Oh my god, I'm just like so full of pride for Zhou Shen, really. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I won't play anymore.
岁月的攻击在你脸上，我会一次一次的想你，做程序的前期，请你不要为我担心，也都不要让我再去担心你。
This is so much fun. Are you kidding me? I have to see my goosebumps.
直到你为我付出你的所有，让我将你伸张去世给夺走。是你给我的爱真的已经足够，别再为我担心在你每次哭后，直到你为我付出你的所有，让我将你伸张去世给夺走。你的深夜里摆的不是头发。是你给我的爱真的已经足够，别再为我担心在你每次哭后，直到你为我付出你的所有，让我将你伸张去世给夺走。 不断替我筹划，现在我也明白爱有多么珍贵，此刻我在你们心里纯粹。
Oh my gosh, they all did a wonderful job here. Oh my gosh, kudos to all of them. Oh my god, you gotta see my goosebumps, man. It's so real. Dude, come on. It won't show, my golly. There. Man, this is so great. You know what I just realized, what's also great about this is that they all are having a great time. They're all have this big smiles on their faces. So much so, the pianist, man. Oh my gosh, he is having a blast. And it's great if you see somebody enjoying what they're doing and being good at it. The least, where can you find that, right? Oh my gosh, I just so adore Zhou Shen, guys. You know that, right? And I know all of you as well feels the same way. And it's just nice to see him let loose be happy with other people around him, and and seeing the people around him accepting him as who he is, really, and actually proud of what he has accomplished. See, he was like at the center stage here, man, so you gotta give him credit for that. And Shen, please, 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 let's just keep the grind going, and let's not look at the past, because the past is the past. That's why it's called the past. So let it just be the a learning experience for all of us, and let's not dwell on that. And a lot of greater things awaits the future, for sure. Know that we fans are always here for you 24/7. And yes, guys, what are your thoughts about this? I'm having so much fun. I love this. Oh, by the way, can you please tell me what's the title of this song, because I need to download this. Is this on Spotify? I hope this is on Spotify, because I'm going to have this on repeat, for real. I love it. Guys, thank you for requesting this one. And guys, once again, please don't forget to support Zhou Shen. Tell your friends of him, and let's spread the word out there and let everybody know of him, really. And yes, once again, stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy. Until next time.